This conference will now be recorded.
Hey everyone, Joshua Martinez. We wanted to put together a video to walk you through the NinjaTrader 8 Fibonacci settings. Just understand that this is a recorded lesson. If you have any questions, let me know in the question section box down below. I'm probably going to put this on Facebook and YouTube, etc. So in front of you is the risk disclaimer. Just means there's risk involved. You should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we're not CTAs, which stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. Okay, so you open up your charting software, you have NinjaTrader. This will work on any time frame, and you want to put Fibonacci's. So where do you go? Well, towards the top, you're going to see this little pencil, it's called the drawing tool. Left click over the pencil and then find where it says Fibonacci retracement. You can also press F8 for a shortcut, but you're going to see like Fibonacci extensions, time extensions, circles. Fibonacci retracement is what you want. Now the Fibonacci retracement, once you click on it, now you're going to see your mouse turns into a pencil. Left click and hold, and then you drag from left to right. Now you notice that you have different retracements and extension numbers. So here's your 0%, and then your 236, 382, 50618, 786, 86, and then your 100%. Above your 0% is your 1.18, 1.27, and then your 1.618. You notice that these show negative numbers. You can also draw your Fibonacci's on the opposite side too, which are going to be, just draw it straight down. Now, left click to start it, left click to end it. And then, you highlight it and delete it. Okay, so how do you get to this point, right? How are you able to get your Fibonacci's to look like this? So what you're going to do is after you expand, so we'll start over. So you left click over the little pencil drawing tool. You go to Fibonacci retracement, F8, left click, hold, drag, and drop, and yours is going to look crazy. The default's going to look nothing like this at all, right? So what you need to do is you need to left click over the Fibonacci, and then see this little line, right click. When you right click, you're going to see copy, remove, lock, alert. If you don't click on that line, this big window pops up. Don't do that. So find the line, left click over it, and then right click for properties. Now in here, you're going to be able to edit and change and alter. So what you want to do is towards the bottom, you see levels. Left click over levels. It's going to say, edit price levels. This is the settings that you need to have. You need to have 0%, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50.00, 61.8, 78.6, 100.00, negative 18.00, negative 27.00, negative 61.80, and then positive 86. The reason why you want the negative numbers is so this way it shows the extensions going up. Otherwise, it's going to show below. Okay. Now, you'll notice that I have mine highlighted. To edit these is relatively simple. What you do is you first click on Add, and then you edit, right? And so you can just put in any number you want. So if I put in 20, and you will notice now I have 20% on here. I don't want 20. I want to highlight and then remove it. So once again, you can probably start out with just removing everything and then start from the beginning, right? So add it first, edit it, and then add it, right? Edit, add it. If you click on something and then you edit, it's going to change that particular one. So you're not going to want to do that. So once again, you may want to pause this, rename it. What I did is I color-coded mine. So you can see 0% and 100% are gray. That represents here. 23 is red. 382 is red. 50 is red. You can change your colors up here by just clicking on the line and then changing the colors. My 618 is red. My 786 is blue. Then that goes to my 1.2, my 1.27, which is really negative 27. I have my negative 18 is green, my negative 618 is red, and then my positive 86 is green. You may want to pause this, rewatch this. Once you select OK, save it as a template. Left click over template, and then go to save. And then once you save it, you can set save as default. So give it a name, save it as default, and it's pretty much good to go. And then go ahead and apply it. And whenever you draw your Fibonacci retracements, it will be of your default. Otherwise, if you don't save it as a template and you don't save it as a default, this won't pop up, and then you're going to have to change it every single time. I hope this helped. My name is Joshua Martinez. Down below, if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help you out.